How to fix IMO voice message problem. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, go to the Play Store and check for updates. Now tap on source icon and search for IMO. Now tap on source and make sure to update to the latest version. Once you are done, go back to your home screen. Now open up settings. Now scroll down and tap on apps. Tap on app management and search for IMO. Tap on it, click on force stop, go to storage usage and tap on clear cache. Now go back and tap on permissions. Now tap on microphone. Now make sure this toggle is allow only while using the app. Now select that option and go back. Now restart the application. I hope this will fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question about a specific topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.